Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to resolve the Vulkan-1.dll not found or missing error on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. And it says that the program can't start because the DLL file is missing from your computer. Try reinstalling the program to fix this problem. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. First thing I recommend doing would be to actually just to restart your computer. And then once you've restarted your computer, I would attempt to reinstall the application or proceed with the installation if you were unable to successfully install it before. And then if you've tried that and you're still having a problem, you go open up a web browser here. And you want to search for Visual C++ Redistributable. And go ahead on to the Microsoft web page here, latest supported Visual C++ Redistributable downloads. And go ahead and select the latest one for Time64. Once it's done downloading, go ahead and open that up. And check mark where it says I agree to the license terms and conditions and select install. Select yes if you receive a user account control prompt. It says setup successful. Go ahead and close out of here. And I would suggest restarting your computer just one more time here. And there you go, guys. Hopefully at this point your issue should have been resolved. And as always, thank you for watching. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.